Today we are going to talk about 3 life lessons of Bible. The Bible is one of the most read books of all time, and for good reason. It contains timeless wisdom that can guide us through the ups and downs of life. From Genesis to Revelation, the Bible has something to teach us all. Number 1. Love unconditionally. Love is one of the most important things that we can learn from the Bible. We are told to love God with all our heart, soul and mind, and to love our neighbors as ourselves. This means that we should love everyone no matter what, even our enemies. God loved us so much that He sent His Son Jesus to die for us while we were still sinners. This is the greatest example of unconditional love. Number 2. Forgive freely. Forgiveness is another important lesson that we can learn from the Bible. We are told to forgive others just as God forgives us. When we hold on to anger and resentment, we are only hurting ourselves. Forgiveness does not mean that we are condoning this sin, but it means that we are releasing the person who sinned against us from the burden of their guilt. Number 3. Trust in God's plan. Trusting God's plan is a difficult lesson to learn, especially when things are not going our way. However, the Bible tells us that God has a plan for each one of us, and that His plans are always good. We may not always understand God's plan, but we can trust that He has something good planned for us. These are just a few of the many lessons that we can learn from the Bible. What are some of the lessons that you have learned from the Bible? Share with us in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.